Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color can be seen in the crocus flower's stigmas, which are harvested to create the spice. This color is typically produced by combining red and yellow, resulting in a warm, golden hue. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Saffron, saffron, run. Remember, it's not saffron, it's saffron. Saffron is crucial in various contexts, helping chefs to add a distinct flavor and vibrant color to dishes. It's also significant in cultural and religious ceremonies, especially in countries like India, where it symbolizes purity and spirituality. If you enjoyed learning about saffron, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.